at the condo, getting faded for the weekend. Rolling big dough with my girl in the deep end. In the two-door, riding around, yeah, we speeding. Every day weekend, I ain't never leaving. Now I'm next up, getting paper with my best friends. I'm a fess up, I'm the best, nothing less than. Shawty, what's up? Come on, ride in the S-Class. Backwards in my ride, and a bottle in my left hand. Rockstar shit, I feel like Ozzy. Pull up to the telly, smoking gas in the lobby. Drop top Mozzie, no can't nobody stop me.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, Gang Fam Squad. What is up, guys? What the fuck is up? Let's start it off. Front bumper is here. Praise the Lord. I'm so sick of the shark nose front end for the 240. We're swapping that today. I have P2M lights for it. They are not here yet, so it also doesn't come painted either, but I mean, like, it's wintertime, so who gives a shit? Putting that on today. I'm still waiting on the lights. We're probably gonna pull the dash out, do it this weekend, so that vlog is gonna pop off. Slaps for the 240, Gen 1 Haunters. This shit is sick as fuck. I went like for the 8-bit pixel because, like, I think Pokemon came out in like 89. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I'm not wikiing the shit or anything. At 9240, I want to keep this theme the same. Plus, I have a Gengar on the GTR, so like, you sent your sticker, faggot. Shut up! I like it. So 240 going on today. We're also gonna put the slaps on, and that made no fucking sense. But we're gonna test fit the bumper. Originally, it is an Origin Lab, but we're running static. So if I was gonna run a fiberglass kit on the 240, it would probably just explode into a million pieces. Plus, I think wait time is like ridiculous for those. So KBD is all polyurethane. It's molded, so the fitment should be raw. Look at the navigational skills. So yeah, we're just fitting that today, and it's just another step in the 240. Also, I have a bunch of new 240 followers on the channel. If you're here because of this, you know, what's up, guys? Like, Raw's 240 in the game, mark my words. But that's today's vlog, and let's fucking get into it. So peace. Okay, so 240 bumper is here. It looks really good. Shipped totally fine. I know a lot of these companies bend them up in the boxes. This thing came straight as an arrow. So basically what we're gonna do now is chill out. I have a couple things to do at home. I'm gonna shoot Kurt a text on when the bumper came. We're gonna bring this down there, which is so convenient because this garage is right down the street and it's heated. Thank you, Kurt. But we're gonna test fit this, so I will see you guys in a little bit. What do you guys think? Do you fuck with it? I'll show you it more when we get there, so see you in a little bit. All right, what's up, guys? Just got to Kurt's house. I am just seeing where all the bolts are that we're gonna need to disassemble and reassemble for the new bumper. Somewhere over here. But yeah, so we're gonna test with the new bumper, see how it looks, and hopefully everything goes a-okay. So without further ado, let's go. After an hour removing all the bolts and shit, this bumper should be ready to go. We will see. Dude, I'm getting old. My back hurts and shit. Oh, thank God. Fuck this car. Oh my God. Woo! That took fucking forever, baby. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Give me that crazy, dude. Oh, fuck. Okay, so just taking a little longer than we thought due to the car being 30 years old. Kurt, my man, is just helping me through this. All the tools I could ever fucking need. This side is pretty much done. This side we're still getting worked on, but it's progress. And my battery's about to die, but I brought a spare. So we've mocked that side all up. It's all good. We're gonna do the other side, and then we'll show you guys the progress when it's all done. So. Well, 2 hours later, and the front bumper is fitted. We didn't do too bad of a job. Obviously, it still needs paint, the brake lights in the front, the side marker lights, everything else. But I think it looks way better than the shark nose front end. Let me know what you guys think. What's next? Oh, we'll pull the dashboard, I guess, this weekend. I have all the shit for it. We're gonna pull the dash, fix the cracks in it, and we're just gonna restore this thing up over the next couple months, and then come springtime, it's gonna be... So that's pretty much it. I guess we're ending it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, shit, before I forget. Okay, so, the name. We were thinking of a name for this car forever. For some reason, when my bumper came, it had this already on it. I don't know why, but whatever. So from here on out, this car will be referred to as Jasper. So car has a name, and it fits it too. Like, which is hella weird. It looks like a Jasper. So boom, dashboard out this bitch this weekend, and then we're probably gonna do 180 taillights on Jasper and whatever else. So we're chopping it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. 2700 is very close. What's up if you're new? And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Although my heart may be weak, it's not alone. It's grown with each new experience, and it's found a home with all the friends I've made. I've become part of their heart just as they've become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon.
Yeah.
My friends are my power.